Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 3700 series printer. So I'm going to show you how to align the printer cartridges, and that will be great if you need it for the better print quality, or if your printer is showing up the message to do the alignment. First step is to switch on the printer and make sure it is connected to the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct, and you have HP Smart app installed in your laptop, MacBook, iPhone or Android phone. Now first step is to switch on the printer. Also load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray, and once we do that, now we go on our device. For example, I have connected this printer using the USB cable with my MacBook. So if it is connected with your any laptop over Wi-Fi or with your Android or iPhone, even then it will work. So you simply have to go to the HP Smart app. So as you can see here, the HP Smart app is open and your printer is here. So go to the HP Smart app. From here we have to look for the printer setting, which is option here. So just click on the printer setting. Now in the printer setting, go for the first option, that is printer status, and once you click on that, you will see it says here on the top alignment recommended, and now we have to do the alignment. So this is for the best print quality. Align your new cartridges or print heads. So at the bottom of the page you see the align button, so click on that. In the settings section, we have to go print quality tools, which is under the tool section. So click on that. Here we see it says align print heads and clean print heads. So these are the two basic steps which we can do here. So do both one by one. Start with the align print heads. So click on this ABC icon. You will see here it's saying like printing the alignment page. So just wait for the page to come out. So in the alignment page, as you can see, the ink is quite low, but it still is showing up some details here. Go to the laptop again. So just follow these instructions, and you have to click all the sheets here and tell what's the result is. So you just have to choose which is the best print quality in that page and click on the done button. And you will get a message, it says alignment complete, alignment completed successfully, and this will ensure the best possible print quality, and then you can close it. Now also you can do one more thing here. You can just click on the clean print heads. So it will automatically do the cleaning of print heads so that the print quality improves, and it will also print a page. So you will see it is printing the print quality diagnostic page. We can see here it has printed the print quality diagnostic test. And again, go to your device. You will see it says level 1 print head cleaning is complete. And if you still think your printout is not good, then you can click on the second level clean. Now it has started to clean again, and it will print another page. So now it is printing another page, which is for the level 2 cleaning. So here you can see this page is print quality diagnostic again, and now your printer must be aligned and printing in a good quality. So here we can just finish this process. Now go to the device again. You will see it says print head cleaning is complete. Additional cleaning options may be available on the printer control panel or in the full feature software, but we don't need that because it has done whatever it can do. And you just click on the close button, and here on the printer status, which is on the top screen here, you can see it only indicates cartridge is load. It doesn't say like we need any alignment of the ink cartridges. That means alignment is done. Now we are ready to use this printer. Thanks for watching.